help you with your sustainability assignment. Be aware. First, let me review the problem scenario that you will be working on. Honey and wild bees are disappearing all over the globe because of colony collapse disorder. Your job is to research relevant information to help explain the answers to the following questions.
Where are wild bees disappearing to in the U.S.? Where do domestic bees need to be shipped in order to help pollinate these areas? Where has colony collapse disorder been a problem? And where can alternate sources for honeybees be found?
Now that we have reviewed the scenario and the questions you need to answer, I'm going to go over the learning outcomes for viewing this tutorial.
1. Create a research question and well-defined search statements that relate to the problem. 2. Use the Kentucky Virtual Library as a search process to find quality resources to explain 1. Where wild bees are disappearing to in the U.S. 2. Where domestic honeybees need to be shipped in order to help pollinate. 3. Where colony collapse disorder has been a problem. 4. Where alternate sources for honeybees can be found. And 3. Narrow search results to the most useful information.
Okay, your first step is to create a research question and a search statement. I have created a template for you to follow to help with this process. I will show you an example of how to use this template.
Create a research question. You need to make a question statement that reflects the main topic of your assignment. My sample research question for you is, where in the U.S. is the disappearance of wild bees problematic? From looking at the search statement, I can pick out some keywords. The keywords are the most important words in the statement, which are bees and disappearance.
After you have created your research question and identified your keywords, the next step is to develop a search statement. You will use Boolean operators to connect your keywords in order to come up with more focused results. Boolean operators are simple words such as and, or, and not.
Based on my keywords and the Boolean operators I have chosen to use, my search statement will be colony collapse, and bees, and United States.
After you have created your research question and search statement, you can start to search for your resources. In order to do so, we will use the Kentucky Virtual Library. Click on your internet browser and type in the website www.kyvl.org.
Once you're on the Kentucky Virtual Library site, you will click on For Students. Then you will click on Elementary School. Next, click on the Research Frontier. And from there, you will click on EBSCO Kids Search. Now that you are on this page, you will type your search statement in the Find box. I will type in the search statement, colony collapse, and bees, and United States. Then click Go.
After clicking Go, you will see that 80 results came up. Wow! That is a lot of results. It would take forever to go through 80 resources. Let's see if we can narrow down our results. On the left side of the screen, you can narrow your results by subject or publication. Click on the Subjects tab and then click on Colony Collapse Disorder.
Now you should only see 8 results. This is much less information to have to look through than 80. You can look at the titles of the 8 results and choose ones to look at that seem to pertain to your assignment. Click on the result named Bees Feel the Sting. You can view this document in HTML format like a web page, or as a PDF format that can be saved to your computer or a flash drive. There is also an option to email if you want to email it to yourself.
It is important to be precise with your search statements. Try using different search statements in order to find all the resources you need for the different questions that you need to answer. I hope that this tutorial has helped and that you can use it along the way to guide you through your research process. Now it is your turn to research why honey and wild bees are disappearing. Please come to me at any time that you have any questions or need any help. Good luck and be smart!